it's been kind of interesting. I'm finding out that every electrical connector on this thing is like totally destroyed. And it looks as though battery acid, as you can tell in the battery compartment, basically filled this whole thing. And all of these connectors, every single one of them is garbage. You know, I've never seen electrical connectors in such a bad state of repair. And I mean, look at this. It's terrible. All of them. You know, they're just eaten away. The other thing that's interesting is when I took off the headlight, on the switch itself is the same way. All the electrical connectors are like garbage. So this restoration is going to be a little more in depth. It's quite a good bike. But anyways, this one is not. But it will be. And I'm very excited about working on this guy. But man, a lot of work. Anyway, there it is.